Good morning, students. Today we will begin our first chapter, Categories of Computers and Computer Languages. In this chapter, we learn about categories of computer, some other special computers, computer languages, language translator, working of language translator. I have divided this chapter in two parts. In first part, we will discuss categories of computers and some other special computers. In part 2, I'll explain about computer languages, language translator, working of language translator, etc. So students, you already know about the computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device or machine which accepts data as input and processes it into useful information, or we can say it processes the information processed by the machine. It gives us the output. The word computer is derived from the word compute, which means calculate. Here you can see in the picture, it is further described in three parts: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. We can categorize computer by three types. Then further, digital computer is divided into 5 types: supercomputer, mainframe computers, mini computer, microcomputers, and personal computer. Let's begin with analog computer. On the basis of their type or functioning, we can categorize analog computer. What is analog computer? A computer that operates by measuring instead of counting. It measures the continuously changeable physical quantities like voltage, pressure, as you can see in the stabilizer. As you can see in the speedometer of your scooty, your car, the mercury thermometer, an old radio where we have to set the frequency and all. It gives the example of analog computer. Basically, it is used by its speech. Digital computer. The digital computer present physical quantities with the help of symbols or numbers or provide us discrete information are called digital computers. Or we can say this type of computer uses digits, binary digits, the 0 and 1, to generate, process and display data. Basically, we use this type of computer for the accuracy of our output. In this computer, the examples are digital watch, digital thermometer, electric meter, etc. The hybrid computer. Hybrid, as we understood by its name, hybrid means the combination of both, which have the which provide the functionality of both analog and digital. It provides the speed of analog computer and accuracy of digital computer. This type of computer basically used in scientific research, specialized application. For example, heartbeat measuring machine used in the hospital, in the car, speedometer, etc. Now, we can classify the computer on its type, as we already discussed. Next, based on the purpose, general purpose computer and special computer. Then after, we will discuss on its size, speed and processing power and cost. The general purpose computer refers a computer which can perform different kind of jobs with equal efficiency. Personal computers including desktop, notebooks, and smartphones are the examples of general purpose computer. Special purpose computer refers to a computer that is specified to a specific purpose. It does its single task very quickly and cannot be used for any other purpose. This type of computers are generally used for controlling the process of manufacturing for weather forecasting system. Now we will discuss its size. The microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. Microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use, therefore they are also called personal computers or PC. Example, Commodore 64 and IBM PC. They are mainly used in homes, school, offices, shops, banks, etc. Further, it classified in 4 categories: desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet computers and palm-top computers. Desktop computers, you already know, the computer which we can keep it on the desk. The laptop computer, a computer which we can place out on our lap. The tablet computer, it is lighter than the laptop computers, and the palm-top computer is a computer that fits on our palm of hand. Mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers, typically being the same size as like a refrigerator. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than the microcomputer. These computers are capable to support about 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, university and big organizations. For example, PDP-8, HP2100, Microvex 3100, mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful computers. They are big in size with large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle large amount of data. More than 100 users can use mainframe computers simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are mainly used for bulk data processing in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airline and railway ticket reservation, and stock exchange markets. For example, IBM Z series, PDP-8, PDP-10 and System Z10. Now, supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. For example, Cray-1, Cray-2, Param, Tianhe-2, Sunway, Taihu Light, etc. Param is a series of supercomputers designed and assembled by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing or CDEC India. The latest machine in the series is Param. Param is the And what is the world's largest supercomputer? Sunway Taihu Light is the world's fastest supercomputer. Computer languages. What is computer language? A language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that computer understands. For every action, computer has to give in instructions accordingly. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. And the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules. In this category, we will learn about machine language, assembly language, high-level language, and fourth-generation language. Children, today we have finished our part 1. For the revision, I am going to show you some videos for revising the chapter. So let's revise with the categories of computer.
Desktop computers are generally used in schools